Not all chains are made of bone. Some are carved in vows alone. And as the silence fills the hall, one judge stands up to speak it all.
A vow was made, a blood was spilled, two hearts aligned, a fate fulfilled. In a lifelong past, he pledged his age to meet in death and turn the page. A lover lost, a sacred thread, together swore to meet when dead, to be reborn. Has won again through underworld, through pain, through flame. The soul looks lost, his eyes go wide. No memory stirs, no love, no guide. He shakes his head, confused and still. This vow he made is not his will.
Luminya ta ku tu chi jo de lu ai che lo ku tu chi no ku chua yo bao lum ning dia no cha de dao lum du e dong ne jing ku mo dou ja zhe dao nyu a yao vi che bao ta dia le wa zao dou ja zhe dao nyu a yao dou mu a dai dao jia lu xiao wo.
I am shaman, I walk the breach where flesh can't go but spirit can reach. I guard the gate, I speak the flame, and I won't let you cast this blame. This soul you judge